What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are on HiFami and you are wondering if withdrawal are real, stay right here because today I'm proving it live. Make sure you watch to the end. I have a WhatsApp group where I share HiFami tips, withdrawal tricks and event updates daily. The link is in the description. Come join the family. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you will never pass these videos. I post money making content regularly. So for the HiFami withdrawal, the first step to take is for you to click on the diamond. Guys, I've clicked on the diamond and as you can see I'm up to the minimum withdrawal threshold, which is 2000 diamond. And over here now, I will click on the withdraw. As you can see, it's loading. And over here the request for my payment method, and I will select pay as usual. I'll add my account number. So right now I'm going to click on the confirm withdrawal, and please, before you click on the confirm withdrawal, check your account details properly to avoid loss of funds. So I'll click on confirm again because I've checked my account details properly. And now as you can see, I've submitted the withdrawal and it's on processing right now, so I'll be expecting the video any moment from now. So guys, I've received the withdrawal and it is not taking for up to a minute. Look at it, it's showing success over here, and look at the withdrawal proof. So after all their bank charges, I actually got credited 1350. Their fee is 150 naira. So guys, for the tutorial on how HiFami work, I'll be posting it on my next video, so subscribe so you won't miss the next video. And if you haven't joined my WhatsApp group, join my WhatsApp group. I actually post more making update tips over there. So guys, that's a real life withdrawal on HiFami. No scam, no trick, just consistency and strategy. Don't forget to join my WhatsApp group through the link below in the description. Subscribe if you haven't, and drop a comment telling me your HiFami username. Let's connect. See you in the next one.